Running out of storage on your sleek new MacBook Air M4? You're not alone, and that's exactly why today's video is a must-watch. Welcome back to the channel. If you're working with large files, editing 4K videos, or just want lightning-fast backup on the go, we've got something special for you. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best MacBook Air M4 1TB Portable SSD External Drives of 2025. Fast, compact, and built for serious performance. All product links are in the description, so grab your favorite and supercharge your storage today. The number 5 product on our list is Netac 1TB Portable SSD External Drive. If you're looking to expand your MacBook Air M4 SSD storage without compromising on speed or size, the Netac 1TB Portable SSD is a total game changer and easily earns its place in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 1TB Portable SSD External Drives of 2025. With blazing fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 speeds up to 500 MBs read and 450 MBs write, this drive handles everything from high-res video files to massive project folders without breaking a sweat. Its compact aluminum body feels rugged yet lightweight, ideal for students, creators, or digital nomads constantly on the move, and with shock resistance built right in, it's built to survive backpack life and cafe tables alike. The included USB-C to C and USB-C to A cables mean you're ready to connect to your MacBook Air M4 right out of the box. Plus, knowing Netac's deep roots in flash memory innovation adds confidence to your purchase. While it's not waterproof or biometric secure, the reliability and performance per dollar are unmatched. This sleek little drive isn't just storage, it's peace of mind wherever your MacBook takes you. At number 4 is SSK Portable SSD 1TB External Drive. When speed meets elegance, you get the SSK Portable SSD 1TB, an absolute standout in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 1TB Portable SSD External Drives of 2025. This sleek little powerhouse is designed to handle the most demanding Mac workflows, from editing 4K 60 ProRes, HDR video to transferring massive project files without breaking a sweat. With jaw-dropping speeds of up to 1050 MBs read and 1000 MBs write, it takes full advantage of USB 3.2 Gen 2 and ensures you never sit around waiting. Whether you're a content creator, coder, or student, the SSK delivers consistent performance thanks to its smart SLC caching and trim support that keeps your speeds high and drive healthy. The included USB-C and USB-A cables make it incredibly versatile, and its featherlight 36.6G build slips into any pocket or tech pouch with ease. Even under pressure, the aluminium alloy casing keeps things cool and reliable. It's compact, powerful, and beautifully engineered for the MacBook Air M4. If you want pro-level performance in a pocket-size form, this external SSD is a must-have for your Mac setup in 2025. The third one on our list is Western Digital 1TB SSD Portable External Drive. The Western Digital 1TB Portable SSD isn't just fast, it's fierce. As one of the standout picks in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 1TB Portable SSD External Drives of 2025, this compact powerhouse blends blazing NVMe speeds with rugged durability. Clocking in at up to 1050 ms read and 1000 ms write, it chews through 4K video files, massive photo libraries, and high-volume backups like a pro. And for MacBook Air M4 users, that speed feels buttery smooth, just like your workflow should. But this drive isn't just about performance. With 256-bit AES hardware encryption, your files stay secure even on the move. Drop it from up to 6.5 feet, no worries. The shock and vibration-resistant body has your back. It's sleek, solid, and cross-compatible with USB-C and USB-A for ultimate flexibility. Whether you're a creative on the go or a student juggling projects, the MyPassport SSD by WW delivers peace of mind, performance, and portability. This is more than storage, it's a tool that keeps your MacBook Air M4 setup future-ready, streamlined, and seriously fast. On number 2 is Crucial X61. TB Portable SSD External Drives. When it comes to powerful pocket-sized storage for your MacBook Air M4, the crucial X61 TB Portable SSD is an absolute standout in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 1 TB Portable SSD External Drives for 2025. This tiny powerhouse delivers blazing read speeds up to 800 MBs, making file transfers smooth whether you're moving large video files or entire project folders. What really wins you over is the balance, compact enough to fit in your pocket yet tough enough to survive drops up to 6.5 feet. It's the kind of SSD you can toss in your bag without worry and pull out when creativity strikes. With 1 TB of capacity, you've got room for up to 250 hours of HD video or 500,000 photos. Yes, 500,000 memories at your fingertips. Compatible with macOS, the USB-C interface works flawlessly with your MacBook Air M4, no setup headaches. Whether you're a content creator, student, or on-the-go professional, the crucial X6 brings reliability, portability, and speed together in one sleek package. For Mac users who need real-world performance without the bulk, this drive is a game-changer. Now, moving to the last one is SanDisk 1 TB SSD Portable External Drive. When it comes to blending speed, durability, and sleek design, the SanDisk 1 TB Portable SSD easily earns its place in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 1 TB Portable SSD External Drives for 2025. With NVMe performance hitting up to 1050 meters read and 1000 MBS write speeds, this little powerhouse keeps up with even the most demanding workflows. Whether you're editing 4K video or backing up large libraries on your MacBook Air M4, what sets it apart is its rugged resilience. Drop-tested up to 3 meters and rated IP65 for water and dust resistance, it's built for adventure and travel. The built-in carabiner loop adds a thoughtful touch, letting you clip it to your bag and go. Plus, with 256-bit AES hardware encryption, your files stay private and protected. It's not just fast, it's smart and secure. And thanks to its lightweight, pocket-sized design, it won't weigh you down. If you're a Mac user, constantly on the move, or simply want reliable high-speed storage, the SanDisk 1 TB SSD is a compact beast you can trust with your most important files, wherever life takes you. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best MacBook Air M4 1 TB Portable SSD External Drive. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.